Good day everyone, my name is John Leonard Calahod from this IT3B. Today, I will discuss to you the logistic regression. Import pandas as PD. This line import the pandas library which is essential for data manipulation and analysis Python. As PD, assign the shorter alias PD to the pandas library, making it easier to use it the rest of the code. Next is column. This creates is called columns containing the names of the columns in datasets. This is crucial because the code assumes in CVS file adult.data does not have header row. Data.head. This line uses the head method of pandas data frame to display the first 5 rows of the loaded data. This provides a quick way to preview the data and check if loaded correctly. Next is checking for missing value. Print data that insult sum. This line check for missing value nonce in the data frame. Data that insults creates a boolean data frame where true indicates a missing value and false indicates a non-missing value. Data equals data dot drop na. This line removes any rows containing at least one missing value. Drop na is a pandas method that removes row with missing data. The result is assigned back to data. Effectively modify the data frame to include rows with missing information. Categorical columns. This line converts the categorical columns with non-numeric values like strings into numerical representation using one-hot encoding. Then next is from sklearn.model selection import train test split. This line imports the train test split function from scikit-learn model selection module. Scikit-learn sklearn is a popular Python library for machine learning. Split the data. This line performs the actual data splitting. X_train, the feature used for training the model. X_test, the features used to testing the model performance. Y_train, the target variable values for training. Y_test, the target variable values for testing. Next, from sklearn.linear_model import logistic regression. This line imports the logistic regression class from the sklearn.linear_model module. Scikit-learn, often abbreviated as sklearn, is a popular Python library for machine learning. Logistic regression class is used to create and train logistic regression models. Logistic regression is a statistical model that predicts the probability of a binary outcome. Create the model. This line creates an instance of the logistic regression class and assign it to the variable model. The max iter is equal 1000 parameters sets the maximum number of the iteration the model will run during training. Train the model. This line trains the logistic regression model using the trained data. X_train represents the features independent variable of the training datasets, and Y_train represents the corresponding target variable independent variable, the binary outcome you are trying to predict. Next is from scikit-learn matrix import accuracy score confusion matrix classification report. This line imports 3 essential functions from the scikit-learn matrix module. Make prediction. This line uses the trained model, presumably created a train and previous step, to make prediction on the test data. Evaluate the model. This selection calculates the evaluation matrix. Accuracy. The accuracy of the model prediction on the test set. Printing the results. Finally, the code prints in calculated matrix in a user-friendly format. The F string is used for formatted output of the accuracy. The confusion matrix is classification report and printed directly. That concludes my video presentation. Thank you for watching.